Matthew 11 verse 28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Isaiah 40 verse 29. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Psalm 23 verses 1 to 3. The Lord is my shepherd. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He restores my soul. Galatians 6 verse 9. Let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Exodus 33 verse 14. My presence will go with you, and I will give you rest. Jeremiah 31 verse 25. I will refresh the weary and satisfy the faint. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Psalm 68 verse 9. You gave abundant showers, O God, you refreshed your weary inheritance. Romans 15 verse 13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace, so that you may overflow with hope. Proverbs 3 verse 24. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet.